Hey everybody, it's Why Not Motors again, and we're back with probably one of the nicest FJ40 Land Cruisers you're going to see. This is a 1970 Land Cruiser. It's an original Arizona truck that made its way up to Canada, where it had a frame-off restoration done. And then it's back down here in Utah, so just want to run over this vehicle and show you how clean it is. Everything's factory on the truck except it has air conditioning, and it's the 134 AC. All the nuts and bolts have been replaced. Has the factory jump seats, factory wheels, tires, factory emblems, license plate bracket. You can just see the detail in the truck. Everything was gone through. All new emblems, lights, bumperettes, new tires, new brakes, new interior. This is basically a nut and bolt complete restoration. The paint looks really nice. All the lights are new. The bezels all repainted for factory colors. All the hardware, as you can tell, all the intricate hardware has been replaced with the factory yellow zinc. I'll just go through it a couple times so you guys can see all the nice features about this truck and how clean it is and how well the restoration was done. It's got new apron emblems, new lights, all the lenses are good. It even has the factory fuel cap. So it has the underdash AC in it, the vintage air AC. The seats are very nice. It even has the Warren Hub sticker on the dash, all the proper knobs, choke, cigarette lighter, ashtray, correct dash pad. This is a North America spec truck, so you guys will notice it has the factory dash pad. A lot of people are importing these trucks from South America that have huge rust problems, frame problems, body problems. If you notice, this one's super clean. It's all the original pans in it, original tranny hump, gas tank. We just work our way around the truck. Factory jump seats. Then it has a Spectre off-road rear mat in the back. Even has the factory correct style seat belt restraint, or the seat restraints when you fold it up. All the factory colors. Factory rear tailgate props. Those are pretty rare part, you know, if you're out looking for those, how expensive just those props are. The rear floor is perfect. Has a couple little dings here and there, just not dings like you can see. The body has just a few little imperfections in it. Has even the factory headliner. Then we'll just go through the driver's side, and then I'll show you guys the motor. I'll even put the camera underneath here so you can see the frame. The frame is unbelievable. There's no scaling whatsoever in it. It's just smooth as a baby's bottom. See how clean it is. All the nuts and bolts, body mounts, everything has been replaced. Factory cluster that reads 82 miles. And that's, I believe that's since the restoration was complete. So let's take a look under the hood here, and so you guys can see how clean the motor is, how the AC is done. Even has the factory Japanese radiator cap, factory airbox. Even has factory stickers on the motor, factory Toyota stickers. You can see it has the aftermarket AC. So you can see that everything was removed off the firewall to put the aftermarket AC in. Even has a the oil filter up here on the top. Factory carb, valve cover. Just super nice. So I'll give you another quick overall view of the truck. You can see even the gaskets are new, felt's new. But if you guys are looking for probably a really nice 1970 Cruiser, it's kind of the dune beige color. You're going to be hard pressed to find a nicer one in the country. This is probably out of a 10 car. It's an easy 9.7, 9.8, 10 being mint perfect, unbelievable concourse restoration, and this is pretty close to it. So don't be shy about this one, you guys. Subscribe to us and check out all our new cars coming up, and leave comment below. Thanks, everybody.